Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through how to join Tower Defense Simulator Discord server. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just open your browser and go on this website, Rollymon's Roblox trading website. Just click on it. Go on the search bar and just click on games. Just type the game name over here, Tower Defense Simulator. As you can see, just click on the game. Click on play on Roblox. Scroll down. Under social links, you will see the server, the Discord server. Just click on it. And as you can see, I've been invited to join Tower Defense Simulator. Just click on accept as and you will join this server. But if you can't join this server through this direct link, just copy the link over here. Go again on Discord. Go on the left side, click on add a server. Click on join a server and paste the link over here and just click on join server. Confirm you are human. Again click on join and that's it. As you can see, that's how you can join Tower Defense Simulator. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.